2025 home decor. Jewel tones and natural elements blend minimalist, modern with aesthetic elegance. Step into 2025. A year where the boundaries of home decor are beautifully redefined with a refreshing blend of minimalist, modern design and aesthetic elegance. In this harmonious fusion, simplicity intertwines effortlessly with sophistication, expressing a powerful narrative through thoughtful design choices. This year, home decor trends lean heavily on the luxurious allure of jewel tones, such as deep emeralds, sapphire blues, and rich amethysts. These vibrant hues introduce a sense of depth and luxury, transforming living spaces into inviting, timeless environments. The aesthetic of 2025 isn't just about bold colors. It's about blending these rich tones with natural elements to create balance and harmony. Imagine integrating the warmth of wooden surfaces, the rough beauty of stone textures, and the calming presence of lush greenery. Such organic elements complement the jewel tones, creating a serene yet vibrant retreat that feels both modern and cozy. The secret lies in striking a perfect balance, allowing statement pieces to shine while upholding a clutter-free, harmonious atmosphere. Focal decor becomes a centerpiece in this evolving trend, where attention to detail transforms spaces with carefully selected accent pieces that define a home's character. Picture the luxury of velvet cushions on your couch, the artisanal charm of handcrafted pottery on your shelves, and the sculptural intrigue of innovative lighting fixtures, contributing its unique layer of depth and warmth. Continuing its rise in popularity, biophilic design highlights the intrinsic connection between nature and well-being, manifesting through indoor plants, organic textiles, and sustainable materials. Not only do these elements enhance aesthetic appeal, but they also promote comfort and tranquility, creating a sanctuary to retreat into after the hustle of everyday life. Embracing this distinctive fusion of modern minimalism and natural elegance, 2025's Decor focuses on personal expression and timeless style. Through the integration of earthy textures, handcrafted decor, and carefully curated color palettes, the trend celebrates a return to nature and the celebration of artistic expression. This year is all about intentional design, where every detail is thoughtfully considered to reflect beauty, comfort, and a deep connection to home. In essence, 2025 marks a year of designing spaces that are not just lived in, but genuinely lived with, turning every home into a personal refuge that speaks to both heart and mind.